Welcome. In this quick and easy tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to check deleted messages in WhatsApp. Alright, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. So first up, go ahead over to your settings. And then in here, we're going to find notifications. Okay, so just go ahead and tap on it. And then once done, find advanced settings. Tap. And then once done, go ahead and tap on a notification history. You'll be able to see all of the notifications right here that has arrived on your phone, even if the person already deleted the messages. Just like these ones right here, we have the recent notifications. Now, if you can't find your WhatsApp notification, just go and scroll all the way down and find WhatsApp. You'll find it right here. So here I have my latest notifications, and if you have chats in here, all right, you'll be able to see it from here. That's basically it. Now, if you're planning to restore a chat that you have deleted by accident, well, you can go ahead and recover it if your last automatic backup occurred after you received the message. If you want a solution for that problem, go ahead and check our channel out. We have a separate video for that. But that's it for now. That is how you check deleted messages in WhatsApp. Hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.